sorry. Oh my God, it's so deafening. Oh boy. Oh boy. What's up guys, Ken Fernandez here, and welcome back to the video. And sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I've been really busy lately with regular photography. I don't know. If you want to know what I'm talking about and if you're interested, I'll put the link right here. That's my main page, that's my photography page. So if you want to see that, make sure you check that out. I'm running out of gas. So right now, it's actually 6:30. I'm on my way to get gas and wash the car a bit, or probably the opposite. I'll probably wash the car first, then get some gas. I don't know, whichever. As usual, we're here at the local car wash because I don't have a garage. There it is guys, just finished washing the car. As you can see, it's actually still wet because I forgot my towels. I swore I had it. Like, when I check the trunk, I usually have it. It's not here, so that's a disaster. I'll probably just dry it when I get home. Stopping by the dealership, check out the new 2018 Mustangs. This one's not a GT. That one's not a GT either. Oh, look at this. That pony badge though. I don't know. Should I gotten the black? Nah. I like this pony though. Kinda dig that. What package is this? I don't know about you guys, but I'm a really big fan of the Focus RSs. I mean, they really look sweet, bro. Like, I would have went with the Focus RS. I wouldn't mind that. It was blue Brembos. I like it. I'm looking for the Mustangs though. Yo, orange American Muscle. Damn, that is nice. Whose car is this? Get the silver emblem, performance pack wheels, got the stripe and everything. Is this for sale? What do you guys think of louvers? I was thinking of getting one for my car, but the fiance does not approve. What do you guys think? Too much, or should I? Anyway, speaking of American Muscle, I am actually going to the American Muscle Show 2018 at Maple Grove Raceway, July 16th. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going. And if you are, make sure you say what's up. Make sure you say hi. And if you see my car and I'm not there, make sure you take a picture and send it to me to Instagram. I would really appreciate that. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.